Okay, so if you're suffering from a dry beard, dry crusty beard, this is gonna help you out here. If you're wondering why I'm whispering, because my wife's asleep next to me while I'm recording this voiceover, and I don't want to wake her up. She scares me a little bit. So we're starting out right here with the big block of soap, with the big block of soap in your face, and you gotta wash the beard. Okay, you gotta get in there deep, real deep, kickity, and make sure you get to all those follicles. Do not get any in your mouth. It tastes disgusting. Okay, it tastes really bad. You don't want that. Okay. All right, so now you take your Afro pick, okay, and you gotta get. Oh God, it tastes bad. You get in there, okay. So one of the things I like to do when it comes to the soap. Oh, she's staring at me. Oh, okay, she's still asleep. All right, is I like to use the comb there to detangle while also massaging the skin underneath, and also making sure the soap gets thoroughly through the beard. Okay, because if you're anything like me, you sometimes get a messy beard, and you don't want a messy beard. And so you just gotta comb it, dome. You just get up in there, just work that magic in there, you know what you're doing here. And, make sure you massage, all that stuff. Helps really promote the growth. The oils and the ingredients in the black soap do a great job of, cleaning your skin, cleaning the hair as well. But you gotta make sure you also replenish that with a little bit of oil or something afterwards, because it can dry you out. But, so now I can take this comb right here. Oh, she's moving. Okay, she's good. Alright, I like to take this comb right here. Here she comes. Okay, cool. I'll take this comb right here, and I use this comb to, just get in there to get some closer to tangles, teeth closer together, and help remove some of the soap as well. Also, again, just making sure that this beard is getting fully cleansed. You really gotta go in there, guys, because your beard's very important, so you gotta make sure your beard's been taken care of. You know what I'm saying? You gotta treat your beard right, because you never know when a lady might want to go for a mustache ride, so you gotta make sure you keep things clean there, pH level on point, all that fun stuff. And so you just gotta make sure you keep that beard. Look at that. So you see how you do that there? You gotta really get in there. You gotta rinse it off, and then you gotta wash your face, so. Then right here, you gotta take this sisal brush. No boar hair over here. We don't kill no pigs for our beauty. Okay, we're using some sisal, some agave plant there, and we're just gonna brush a little bit. All right, the point is brushing again is to help remove any dead skin cells underneath, and also just getting the excess soap out. Even tighter, just getting up in there, get all the soap out of there. You don't want any leftover soap. Like I said, the soap removes oil, so you don't want the oils to be fighting the soaps, and you just don't want that, so you just go for that there. And so we just go ahead and brush, and brush, and brush. And here's the thing that a lot of you guys miss. It's called washing your ass. So you gotta wash your underarms, get to your balls. You gotta wash yourself. Because again, what ladies don't want, or men, whatever you're into, they don't want you to stink. Okay, so now we're gonna go to the midnight rose, and that's gonna be what really makes this pop right here. Really helps your beard out a lot. Is you're gonna spray the midnight rose, and this is your midnight rose O'Shea. And you're gonna spray it in. As you can see, it's a nice little runny. It's perfect. Just a perfect leave-in conditioner there. And you wanna work it in there as well. Try to get to every hair follicle, every strand. Just working your way in there. Yeah, there you go. Oh, if I spilled a little bit, oops, my bad. Giggity. And just gotta work that in there. And make sure all the hair is taken care of. You got a little hair on top, use some excess. Throw some excess in there. And now you want to grab your beard guard, okay? Your Nether Gold Edition beard guard. And you want to go and just apply that straight to the beard. And, you hook it around the ears. It's really, really easy. Somebody on Facebook was like, it looks so complicated to put on. And I was like, it's two loops, lady. And she was like, well, it looks complicated. And I was like, oh, okay, well, all right, you're an idiot. And, so, that was just me, though, whatever, who cares. So you just put the 2 loops on, and then there you go. You just adjust it accordingly. And then you just sleep in it overnight, and just live your best life. And don't allow the moisture from the midnight rose to really get in there, because as gravity does its thing. So as gravity, remove some of that. Oh, don't run out of time here, Mike. As gravity works as magic, it starts to get rid of the oils and stuff. So you gotta make sure you lock it in there. But I never go for life, gang. See ya. Deuces, baby. Yeah.